The blind girl. There was a blind girl who hated herself purely for the fact she was blind. The only person she didn't hate was her loving boyfriend, as he was always there for her. She said that if she would only see the world, she would marry him. One day, someone donated a pair of eyes to her. Now she could see everything, including her boyfriend. Her boyfriend asked her, "Now that you can see the world, will you marry me?" The girl was shocked when she saw that her boyfriend was blind too and refused to marry him. Her boyfriend walked away in tears and later wrote a letter to her saying, "Just take care of my eyes, dear." Moral of the story: whenever circumstances change, so does our mind. Some people may not be able to see the way things were before and might not be able to appreciate them. There was many things to take away from this today, not just one. Have a nice day. People star MS Murthy.
2 BHK, 3 BHK, shops, restaurant, supermarket and commercial. Available for rent in Kolattur. Nearby Meridian Hospital, Kumaran Hospital, backside of Red Terry. Please contact 9034555554. சென்னை கொளத்தூரில் அதுவும் ரெட்டேரி ஜங்ஷன்ல நம்ம KRM அபார்ட்மெண்ட் 2 BHK and 3 BHK flat ரெண்டல் அவைலபிள் இருக்கு. மெயினான ஏரியால KRM அபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல 2 நல்ல பெரிய ஷாப் ரெண்டல் அவைலபிள்ல இருக்கு. KRM அபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல ஃபுல் ஃபார்ம் மெஷின் ஃபிளாட்ஸ் அவைலபிள்ல இருக்கு. நீங்க ஜஸ்ட் வந்தா மட்டும் போதும். உங்களுக்கு தேவையான சகலமும் அந்த வீட்டுக்குள்ளேயே இருக்கு. ஃபுல் ஃபர்னிஷிங் ஃபிளாட்ஸ் அவைலபிள்.